Most men today are weak.
They're weak men.
And here's the shocking truth.
That's a weak man.
Most of the world is trying to keep you that way. You ever feel like no matter how hard you try, you're still falling behind? Still tired, stuck, and unmotivated? Like your fire's been stolen?
I've lost my mojo!
Let's face it, many of us are lacking drive, energy, and ambition. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why you feel this way and how to flip the switch back on. If you don't fix this now, you're gonna stay trapped in a life that you never wanted. Here's what nobody tells you. The system profits when you're weak. Government, businesses, even the media, they all benefit when you're tired, distracted, and you don't have the energy to fight back. It's not just you that's broken. The game is rigged against you. And here's the kicker. The few men who don't just survive, they dominate in every area of their life. In a moment, I'll show you the exact 3 things that keep you weak and how to turn that into an unfair advantage. My name is Stephen Kofer. If it's your first time here, it's nice to meet you. If you're visiting again, thank you for supporting the channel. It's great to see you again. Think about it. How many times do you wake up just feeling absolutely exhausted? You slept, but you're just not feeling rested. How many times do you look at other men and say, why does he have energy, focus, and success while I'm here stuck? You see men online building wealth, strength, and relationships, and you think you can do that as well. But somehow, you're just feeling like you're being left behind. I've been there, burned out, overweight, unmotivated. I could still stand to lose a few pounds, but I'm breaking free. Today, I'm going to teach you about the silent trap that keeps you weak and how to break free from it. I'll teach you the mindset shift that flips weakness into power, and I'll teach you the framework that makes strength automatic. Stick with me, because once you see this, you're never going to look at yourself the same way again. First, the silent trap that keeps you weak. Modern comforts like junk food, constant entertainment, and endless scrolling are engineered to keep you passive. You think it's harmless, but it's designed to drain your energy and hold your attention longer. A simple solution? Replace one of your comforts with a challenge. I try to replace sweets with a nice piece of fresh fruit if it's available. The best way that I've found to prevent doom scrolling yourself to bed at night is to keep a good book on the nightstand. Another change I made in my life is, in an effort to create more, I've told myself,
okay, Steve, you're not going to be able to consume content until you create content.
So that's why you see me creating shorts every day that you can look at that hopefully help you and brighten up your day. And then lastly, I rarely watch television. Occasionally, I'll catch a ball game, or if there's a really good movie that I want to see, I'll watch that. One of my guilty pleasures is watching UFC.
Connor relaxed and smiling. Oh no! He slapped him!
If this is hitting you, the best thing you can do to help the channel is hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and share this with a friend who maybe needs to hear this. It really does mean the world to me, and it helps grow the channel so that other people can wake up. Next, let's talk about the mindset shift that turns weakness into power. Weakness is not your default. You've been conditioned to be this way. You've been trained to stop fighting. You ever heard the phrase learned helplessness? Back in the 1960s, scientists ran an experiment that revealed a terrifying fact about human behavior. Here's what they did. They put dogs in a cage and they shocked them. Some of the dogs had a lever that they could press to stop the shock. Others had a lever where they could press it, but it didn't do anything. Eventually, those dogs just gave up. They didn't think that whatever they did would matter, so they gave up. Here's where it gets disturbing. The scientists put the dog into a new cage. This one had electric shock on the floor on half of the room and then not in the other half of the room, with just a small divider in between. The dogs that learned that they had control, they escaped immediately. The dogs that felt they had no control, they stayed there and suffered. That's learned helplessness. And believe it or not, the world has taught you the same lesson. Every time you feel like you can't win, every time you're feeling like you're crushed by failure, every time you're feeling stuck, that's the shock. And most men stop fighting. But here's the truth. You're not trapped. The cage is open. And if you don't start moving, you're going to spend the rest of your life laying down when freedom is just one step away. The solution? Adopt the challenge over comfort mindset. Every time that you choose challenge, you steal power back from the system. Lastly, let's talk about the daily framework that makes strength automatic. This is simple. There's 3 non-negotiables. Move your body, master your mind, and build your mission. Your body's your foundation, your mind is your weapon, and your mission is your compass. You don't rise to your goals. You fall to your identity. If you see yourself as weak, you'll keep acting weak. Shift your identity to I'm strong, I'm disciplined, I'm unstoppable, and the habits will follow automatically. Stay weak and the world owns you. Get strong and you own the world. And the crazy part is, you don't have to wait years. The shift starts today. The world wants you weak, but you don't have to play that game. You can choose strength. If you want to take this deeper, click on the next video that's popping up, where I share a step-by-step plan to reclaim your mission, break the comfort cycle, and stack small wins that turn into big results. I'll see you over there.